Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down essentials so you can move fast. Choose a short domain and reliable host. Once done, set up a staging site. Make sure to plan core pages, home, case studies, services, about, contact, blog, so navigation stays clear. Collect 3-5 best projects with screenshots, measurable results, and testimonials. Use raw data to prove impact. Then, install a lightweight CMS and an SEO plugin so you can publish structured pages and metadata immediately. You now construct the site around structured evidence that converts. Build a case study template covering problem, process, tools, and measurable results. This makes comparison easy. Then, implement on-page SEO, write unique titles, meta descriptions, and clear H1, H3 hierarchies. Add project and review schema to increase rich result chances. Also, optimize performance. Compress images, lazy load media, add a CDN, and set third-party scripts to async so pages load fast and rankings improve. You finish by preparing launch and conversion steps that turn traffic into leads. Run a checklist. Submit sitemap, configure robots. TXT, connect analytics and search console, and enable daily backups. Then focus on conversion rate optimization. Place clear CTAs, offer a lead magnet, use a 2-3 field contact form, and run a /B tests on headlines. If things go wrong, use crawl reports to find 4XX and 5XX errors. Canonicalize duplicates, and monitor core web vitals to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.